Hello, this is Boom TV, Boom Top TV. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, and ring the bell for other notifications. Thank you. So before we start this thing, we have to check account balance. So we'll check stack 556 hash. So we'll check it. As you can see, the amount that is there is still 31 naira 40 kobo and no extra bonus on it and no free 12 gig on it. So after you click after that, so we'll cancel it and check the code now. Star 131 star 205 hash. You try first time, it's not going to work. You will try it again second time. Maybe try like 3 times before it work. We'll try it second time again. If it will work, it's not going to work. We'll try third time again. So after this third time, it will work now. So I will see it's another customer. You have successfully cancelled the browsing. So you check it again. Star 56 hash. After checking for 56 hash, you can see. As you can see, my bonus there is 4,500 naira. They gave me for free, and my data balance is 12,000 gig. As you can see, they give me free gigabytes. So that's how it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.